Hello all, welcome back to the YouTube channel The Engineering Survey. Today we are going to discuss how to use a level staff in a correct procedure to obtain level readings. Here you see that this person has set up the level instrument at a lower height. It's not good. It gives a back pain to the person. This is also wrong, right? Swing both sides, backward and forward. That's correct. You need to swing backward and forward slowly. You don't need to swing too much backward or too much forward. Slightly forward, slightly backward. Now you are pushing too much forward. Now stop. Now forward, push forward. Pull back. Likewise, you have to do it right. So you must know how to swing the staff correctly, right? So now here you don't have any bullseye bubble fixed to the staff. Because of that, you have to make sure that you are holding the staff vertically, right? So all the time we have to make a line of sight perpendicular to the staff, then only we get the correct reading. So how you can find when the line of sight is perpendicular to the staff reading and all? So you need to, right? So we need to swing it back and forth. Then the person who observe the reading, he get the least reading when the staff is perpendicular, right? That's how we get it. So now when you are swinging the staff, right? Some people swing like this. It's wrong, right? So you have to swing it like this, back and forth, right? Some swing like this. It's wrong, right? So you have to swing it back and forth. But some swing like this, right? It's also wrong, right? Because it's not level, or it's not in the plumb line. So easy way of doing this is, now you are not having any plumb bob or fixed bullseye bubble. In that case, you can see approximately there may be lamp post or a building edge, right? In that case, you know that you are moving it back and forth in the line of a building line or perpendicular to a kind of a lamp post like that, right? So now if I hold it like that, when I compare it with the lamp post, I can see these two lines are not parallel, right? Now the lamp post line and the staff line is in a parallel line. All the time you don't get lamp post. So better to ensure somebody to see, right? From the front side, if you have any helper, right? Ask him to see whether you are swinging the staff in the line, right? Because it has to be in the gravity line in both sides, in this side as well as in this side, right? So even though you move it back and forth, right? If you have slanted the staff like this, no point of moving back and forth, right? Because still you are not getting the correct level, right? So you have to move in the plumb line, right? So you have to move it back and forth like this, right? Better to come close to the staff with, right? Then you can move it like this. Right? That's how you do it correctly, right? Thank
Thank you very much for watching this video. Coming up next is how to do a leveling exercise without errors. Bye bye.